Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Robot Vacuum Error 26, meaning and how to fix. Okay, so we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, clean your Shark Robot Vacuum. First, you need to clean the main brush. After each use, remove the entangled hair and debris from the main brush. Cut away any obstruction carefully once a month. Hand wash the main brush in a warm water with mild dish soap. Rinse the thoroughly and let it dry before reattaching to vacuum. Okay, and then care the side brush. Straighten the side brush by heating the plastic bristle with the hair dryer and snapping them back into the position while warm if they become a triangle and wrap over time. Okay, and after this, empty the dustbin. Regularly empty the dustbin to prevent blockage and maintain optimal performance. And after this, clean the filter. Clean the filter every 5 to 10 cleaning session or about every other week. Okay, so second step is clean the brush hole and surrounding area. First of all, disconnect. Unplug the vacuum and turn it off, and then remove the brush hole. Depending on your model, you might have to remove the bottom cover or side brush to reach the brush roll, and then remove the hair debris with finger and scissor. Rise soft roller under the warm water to stubborn dirt. To do not use the soap or cleaning chemical. Let it air dry for 24 hours. Wipe a brush on the other side that sweep up to dirt with the dry cloth for removal brush housing. Remove screw jiggle off the side pieces. Clean with 91% isopropyl alcohol and Q-tip. Then reassemble. If needed, clean the wheel and their compartment. Then reassemble. Okay. Third is check the brush roll for damage. Unplug the vacuum and turn it off. Depending on the model, you may need to remove the bottom cover or side brush to access the brush roll. Okay, and inspect the brush roll. Check to wear like frayed and broken bristle, debris or hair causing jam, and sign of the melting warping for friction. Ensure it's free from debris or hair, and look for the damage like cracks or wrapping. Okay, ensure it works properly. If brush roll is hard to turn by hand and there may be motorists. Okay, after this, reset the vacuum. Disconnect the vacuum from the power source and turn it the upside down. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait for 10 seconds. The press power button again to turn it back on and reset the vacuum. Okay. So guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys.